Hey, ISACA North Texas chapter. I am so excited to be able to spend 3 days with you virtually, December 4, 5, and 6, where we are going to be covering cybersecurity, fraud risk assessments, third-party risk management, ethics and auditing the culture of the organization, written and communication skills that are going to be incredibly impactful. It's going to be great. Let me tell you, my name is Rob Clark Jr. I am a longtime auditor, IT auditor, and have been in the profession 37 years. So I've seen a lot. And I'm going to be able to share with you some experiences and some practical tools and strategies, policies, templates. You're going to walk away with a ton of information. It's not just reading off slides. We're going to be interactive. You're going to have breakout sessions together. It's really going to be awesome. I'm also a certified virtual presenter. I'm a public speaker. I'm the incoming president of the National Speakers Association in Washington, D.C. I speak all over literally the world, and I am thrilled to have an opportunity to spend time with you. Day one is going to be all about cybersecurity, talking about not just reiterating the frameworks and things that you already know, but how do we apply those things? Let's talk about governance, how we communicate with the board and leadership of our organizations. We'll talk about incident response policies. We'll talk about IT governance, share policies and templates that you'll be able to take back and adapt and apply. That's all on day one. Day two, in the morning, we're going to be talking about fraud risk assessment, specifically what we as IT auditors can do at collaborating with the audit staff to make sure that we are looking at where there might be opportunities for fraud to occur. You know that we've got to look for those things. We're going to talk about practical strategies and some stories that you're not going to want to miss. That afternoon, we'll talk about third-party risk management, and we'll share some templates and ideas and things that we have used to expand. How do we go about trying to wrap our arms around all of the third parties, the growing list of third parties that our organizations and entities rely upon? Day three, in the morning, we're going to be talking about ethics and auditing the organizational culture. And let's face it, we as IT auditors have insight into the organization in ways that a lot of people don't. We see what the different sets of rules are that are applying to those within the upper echelon of the organizations where they might have a different level of access when we know that's really not appropriate based upon their need. How do we go about trying to manage all of that? We're talking about practical strategies, some stories, some things that I think you'll really get a lot out of. And then in the afternoon, we're going to be talking about something that I promise you, if you lean into this, this will be some of the most impactful professional development that you have ever experienced. I believe that because I see it and I hear it consistently from the hundreds and hundreds of people that have communicated with me after the fact saying that was worth the conference itself. How we manage, let's face it, we know the stuff backwards and forwards. But if we don't have the skills to be able to effectively communicate that in writing and verbally to our leadership and those who are receiving our reports and communications, our message is going to fall flat. You're going to walk away with some practical strategies. It's going to be awesome. Trust me on this. So do not miss this. Register now, December 4, 5, and 6. It's going to be virtual. You'll be able to dress like this up top. And as I am right now, wearing sweats and slippers down below. Make yourself comfortable, but it's lean in. It's going to be engaging. It's going to be a great time. I look forward to seeing you there.